Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I like quirky little things in my kitchen to make me smile and bring me a little joy when I have to make dinner for all these monsters. And this definitely brings me joy. Look at this butter dish. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna tell you all about it. This little butter dish just adds a little bit of sweetness to my kitchen. I love it. I absolutely love how cute it is, how durable it is, and how functional it is. I love that you can measure out your butter according to what's on the plate there, and you can grab him by his ears. And it's durable enough that those ears are not going to break. My kitchen is kind of a rowdy place. I've got 2 kids and a husband and a dog, and life goes on, and this thing has withstood all that my family has thrown at it. Like I said, it's very easy to use. You can just select the amount of butter that you want, and I love that you can measure it out to get exactly what you need. Another thing that I like about it is it comes in different colors and different styles. So I just picked black because it was kind of neutral and it matched my kitchen. It's very easy to load, just like any other butter dish. You just take your butter out and it fits perfectly in the little dish that is provided. Another thing I like about it is that it is wide enough that you can stick 2 sticks of 8-ounce butter in it, and I like that because then you're not constantly refilling it. Another thing that I like about it is this little lip here that you can wipe your knife off on and then put your lid back on, and you're ready for next time. I absolutely love this butter dish. It just makes me so happy. It's functional, it's adorable, and it brings me so much joy. And that's my point of view.